somebody out here like body surfing, like just them swimming?
When I walk beside her, I am the better man. When I look to leave her,
Pretty wet. Shit's wet.
You look like a reporter right now.
she took me in again.
Did he hit something? What was that freaking about? Shit, water's up to my shins.
When she comes to greet me, she is mercy at my feet. When I see her in her charm, she just throws it back at me. Once I dug an early grave to find a better land.
Damn.
She just smiled and laughed at me.
Tyler, this is crazy.
Who's back again?
Hello. Do you remember that like sewer hole that was all like bubbling out? It's crazy. Damn. Yo, what the fuck you doing, my bro? Yo, zoom it up in the tree, bro. Yo, zoom it up in that tree.
Tree fell.
When I go to cross that river, she's comfort by my side. When I try to understand,
That's a good call.
opens up her hands.
Can't see it though.